Find the intervals in which the function f given by fx equal to 2x square minus 3x is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So this problem is also as I solved in the previous one. So here given function is 2x square minus 3x. So first we have to differentiate this and to find increasing decreasing. Before that one we have to find the point x. So that point will be found by differentiating this. First write this equation and then find the first derivative f dash x equal to 2x square minus 3x, then make it equal to 0 to find the value of x. Then after finding x, so write the interval and after that so check the nature of the given function. Yes, fx equal to 2x square minus 3x. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x equal to, so this is 4x minus 3. To find the interval, make this equal to 0. To find interval f dash x equal to 0. Therefore, f dash is 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, 4x equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 by 4. So this one point, that is x equal to 3 by 4, separates the real number line into two parts. So it will divide the real number line into two parts. So therefore, this is minus infinity plus infinity. So this is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 means this value is 0.7 something. So therefore, so decimally its value is 0.7. So therefore, the intervals are minus infinity to 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 to plus infinity. Therefore, the intervals are minus infinity to 3 by 4, minus infinity to 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 to plus infinity. So these are the two intervals. So we have to check the nature of the function are these two intervals. Yes? So the intervals, the obtained intervals here are minus infinity to 3 by 4. And second one 3 by 4 to plus infinity. So we have to check the nature of this one within this interval. So just substitute some integer values in this equation. Check the positive or negative symbol of this f dash x. So therefore, so I will take minus infinity to 3 by 4 means, so it is 0.7, it is a 0. So therefore, 0 belongs to this one. Take some test values. So I will take either minus 1 or 0 or any one. So take smallest values to check this one. So therefore, I will check here 0. F dash 0. This becomes 4 into 0 minus 3. This becomes minus 3. So therefore, for this interval, any value that belongs to this interval, that is always equal to negative. So therefore, f dash x is less than 0, negative. So here I have tested for 0. Even you can take any other value. So I will take one more value here. So if we take minus 1, 4 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. So therefore, even for minus 1 or any value for any value belongs to this interval, so it is always negative. For any value belongs to this interval, f dash x is less than 0 or negative. Negative means the function is decreasing. So therefore, nature fx is decreasing. Fx is decreasing. So now we have to check the values belongs to this interval. So 3 by 4, so it is 0.7. So greater than 3 by 4, 1, 2, 3 for all these values. So check the f dash x. F dash x. If I take 1, f dash of 1, 4 into 1 minus 3, this equal to 1. So that is greater than 0. If we take 2, f dash 2, so therefore 4 into 2 minus 3. So therefore this value 8 minus 3, 5, positive. Here also it is positive. So therefore f dash x is greater than 0, positive. So therefore positive means it is increasing. Therefore fx is increasing. So therefore minus infinity to 3 by 4 given function is decreasing, plus 3 by 4 to plus infinity, the function is increasing. In this interval decreasing and in this interval it is increasing function. So in this function fx equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. So again in this problem we have to find the intervals, in which interval the function is increasing and in which interval the function is decreasing. We have to solve in the previous manner. Yes. So therefore first write the function, then find the derivative, then make it equal to 0, find the point x, and then find the interval and check the test the values for that interval. So then if it is positive, increasing; if it is negative, decreasing. So same procedure we have to apply here. So function is this one. First term is differentiate. Differentiate. F dash x 6x square minus 6x minus 36, or take 6 common, x square minus x minus 6, x square minus x minus 6. So now find the factors of this equal to 6 into bracket, or x minus 3 x plus 2, x minus 3 x plus 2, x square minus x minus 6. These are the two factors. So therefore to find interval f dash x equal to 0. Therefore 6 into x minus 3 x plus 4, this equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 4. So in exam, finding the derivative it carries 1 mark, finding the values of x itself carries 1 mark, and getting the interval and other things carries 1 mark. Totally 3 to 5 marks question it is. So here x equal to 3, x equal to minus 2. So therefore the intervals are here. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. First consider the smallest one, that is minus 2, this is plus 3. So therefore the intervals are here minus infinity to minus 2 up to this one, and minus 2 to 3, and 3 to plus infinity. So minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to 3, 3 to plus infinity. These are the three intervals we have to check the nature of this function in these three intervals. We have to check the nature of the function within this interval, minus infinity to minus 2. So this is minus 2, infinity 3, this is plus infinity, minus 2 to consider any values belongs to this interval. So this interval, so that I take minus 3. Minus 3 belongs to this one. If we put minus 3 here, f dash of minus 3, 6 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 plus 2. So therefore this is 6 into, so this one is negative, this one is negative. So therefore negative into negative, it is positive. So therefore f dash x is greater than 0, positive. So minus 3 minus 3, if we consider value of this one, minus 3 is negative, value is not important, sign is important here. So therefore minus 3 it is negative, minus 3 plus 2 it is also negative. So therefore minus into minus, this is plus. So therefore it is greater than 0, positive. Positive means increasing. Fx is increasing. And next here, minus 2 to minus 3, minus 2 to plus 3, minus 2 to plus 3.